It is incredibly frustrating when you are cruising on the highway expecting that smooth transition into top gear to settle the engine down, but instead your transmission stays stuck in fourth gear while the engine revs higher than it should. When your vehicle throws a P0784 code, it means there is a malfunction in the 4 to 5 shift solenoid circuit, which is the electronic gatekeeper responsible for moving the hydraulic fluid that activates the fifth gear clutches. This solenoid is managed by either your transmission control module or the main engine computer, and they are constantly running self-tests by sending tiny pulses of electricity to check for what technicians call an inductive kick. If the computer does not see that slight voltage spike when the magnetic field collapses, it knows the solenoid or the wiring is compromised, and it might even throw the transmission into a fail-safe mode, where you only get one default gear to get you home safely. To track this down, you will need your digital volt-ohm meter to check the resistance of the solenoid itself to see if it has gone open or if it is shorted internally. You also need to be on the lookout for pinched or frayed wires in the harness that might be touching the transmission case and causing a short to ground. If you have access to a high-end scan tool, you can actually try to manually command the solenoid to click while the car is off, which is a great way to hear if the mechanical part of the valve is actually moving. Remember that an electrical short to power can happen if wires get melted together, so check the entire length of the harness for any signs of heat damage. If the wiring and the solenoid both test perfectly fine, then you might unfortunately be looking at an internal failure within the control module itself, though that is usually the last resort after you have ruled out all the simpler electrical connections and the solenoid integrity. Take it step by step, and you will get that smooth highway cruise back in no time.